anyone here?
Hey, I'm here. Are we waiting on Bob to come? Did he stop by the kitchen for an early oldie float? That silly sheep.
No, Bob went out on an adventure with Mr. Boots.
Oh, what's today Bob and Boots Day? How fun.
Yeah, I can't wait for him to get back and tell me all about it. So, Ray, what you been up to?
Well, funny of you to ask. I actually just got back from the most amazing trip to Indonesia.
Indonesia? What's in Indonesia?
Indonesia is a country. In fact, it's the fourth most populous country in the world. It has over 17,000 islands with cool stuff like active volcanoes to hike, Komodo dragons to see, lagoons to explore, and the tastiest, most calming tea.
Wow, Ray, that sounds pretty amazing. It must have been a really long flight to get there, huh? I'm not the biggest fan of planes.
I understand, Siesta. Planes can be pretty scary. Hey, that gives me an idea. Why don't we hop into a plane-themed yoga routine that I like to do before flights?
Yeah!
Great! Let's get ready for takeoff. It's time to rise above our fears. Let's stretch those calf muscles and lift our hands as our tippy toes take us higher. Up and away. Welcome passengers to Flight 123 on Naptime Airlines. I'm your pilot, Ray the Radio. Say folks, the view is quite spectacular. Can we peek out the window? Amazing! Oh, here comes the snack cart. How about we grab ourselves some juice and crackers?
Can I get some pretzels too?
Yum. Uh-oh, things are getting a little bumpy. Let's take a deep breath in and shake it out.
Calming down.
Speaking of down, we're about to land. How exciting! Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Huh?
Oh right, remind me next time to hire some flight attendants. To land, let's straighten out and stretch back to the ground. We made it! Great job, that was jazzing.
Whew, that was refreshing, Ray. I can't wait to show this routine to Bob.
I can't wait either. I wonder what he and Mr. Boots are up to now.
How about we go to the mud park?
No?
Yeah. What do you want to do? Karaoke. Have you heard me sing before?
Bruh.
Yeah. What are we gonna do for our adventure today?